Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad. First, let's craft the perfect dressing. Whisk 1 egg yolk with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in about 1/2 cup of olive oil, whisking constantly until it's beautifully emulsified. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Next, let's prepare our crunchy croutons. Cut your favorite bread into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with a generous drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of garlic powder, and a dash of salt. Bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden and perfectly crisp. While those bake, wash and thoroughly dry 2 heads of fresh romaine lettuce. Now for the exciting part, assembling your salad. Take your perfectly dried romaine lettuce and tear or chop it into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, gently toss the lettuce with your homemade Caesar dressing, ensuring every leaf is lightly coated. Then, fold in your warm, crispy croutons. Finish with a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a crack of black pepper. Your delicious homemade Caesar salad is now ready to be served. For the best experience, enjoy it immediately while the croutons are still wonderfully crisp. This classic salad makes a fantastic side dish, or you can elevate it into a full meal by adding some grilled chicken or shrimp. Garnish with a few extra Parmesan shavings and a final grind of fresh black pepper. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.